and it shall be given to you. Seek, and ye shall find. Rebel, and suffer the consequences.
Hello and welcome back to Not a Watch Snob. I am your host, Bill, and I want you to hit that subscribe button because you, my friend, are in for a real treat. This is the core Timepieces 7 Sins, a watch that is unlike anything you've seen before on the market. This watch puts a whole new twist on a classic dive watch. From the switchblade hands to the sin window, this watch will get the conversation flowing or send your ass straight down to hell, but either way, it's gonna be a wild ride. The specs of this watch are as follows. This watch features an NH36 automatic movement from Seiko. It has a 316L surgical grade stainless steel PVD matte black case. The case size is 42mm. It has a domed sapphire crystal. It has a 22mm lug width. It has a 120 click rotating PVD matte black bezel with a lot of lume bright on the dial as well as the bezel. It has a 7mm screw down crown. It has a 316L surgical grade PVD black bracelet with a flip lock clasp. It has a ballistic nylon NATO strap, and it has a water resistance of 300 meters, or 1,000 feet. The pros and cons of this watch are as follows. Pro. This watch is completely different than any other watch you're going to find on the market. From the second hand that is kind of unique and odd, to the switchblade hour and minute hands, the sin window, everything about this watch is a really cool and unique piece. And if you're like me and like to test God, you get to pick a sin you want to commit every single day. Whether I'm vegging out on the couch with sloth, or I'm hoping to get lucky with some lust, or I'm trying to sell a car for way over MSRP with greed, I think it's fun to be able to have a goal to reach every single day. Pro. The lume is incredibly cool, from the logo that's lit up to the bezel. However, I wish this lume bright lasted a little bit longer, so I think it's more of a pro and a con. Con. I wish they did a little bit more with this dial. I mean, I do dig the matte black dial. I just think if they had added like a guilloche or something, maybe a little bit more to spice up this dial, it would have been a lot more mesmerizing, eye-catching. I mean, besides the already cool features that this watch already has. Pro. This watch is super heavy duty, and I don't just mean from aesthetically, I mean literally it is a heavy duty watch. And I think this watch could really take a beating and keep on ticking, which really makes me feel comfortable about wearing it in any sort of situation. I really do like the band as well. I did only put it on the NATO strap, however the bracelet is extremely well built, and like I said, it's better than your average watch that you're going to get from a micro brand. Pro. The price point for this watch is 100% on point. You can get this super unique piece for only $3.99. And if you want the special subscriber discount, go to my website, notawatchsnob.com, notawatchsnob.com, and get this watch for only $300. That's $100 less than it is on the website, and I think that's a steal, and I decided to do you guys a favor for subscribing, so go ahead and use the link either in the description, or just go to notawatchsnob.com to get your hands on this really cool piece. Anyway, thank you so much for your support, and I hope you enjoyed watching, and remember, I am your host, Bill. I'm not a watch snob, and neither are you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.